trunk. You can see here very clearly three branches are coming from the first part of subclavian artery: vertebral artery, internal thoracic artery, and a trunk called thyrocervical trunk. Now we will talk about the second part of subclavian artery. This part of subclavian artery lies posterior to the anterior scalene muscle and give rise of an trunk called costocervical trunk, which courses upward. You can see here costocervical trunk, which is coming from second part of subclavian artery. Now coming towards the third part of subclavian artery, which is also known as last part of subclavian artery, and it lies lateral to the anterior scalene muscle and gives off an important branch called as dorsoscapular artery. And dorsoscapular artery